Hi everyone, this is the second lesson on the topic coding and decoding. These are the 26 English alphabet along with their place values. As we discussed in one of the previous sessions, I want you guys to get used to these numbers, which makes your work very easy while answering the given questions. You have to remember these things in order to answer the question in less than 30 seconds each. If you look at the screen now, A and Z are antiletters. B and Y are antiletters. C and X are antiletters. Antiletter or opposite letter. What does it mean? Place value of this letter A is 1. Z is 26. Sum of these two gives you 27. B it's 2. Y 25. Sum of these two gives you 27. And so on. 13 plus 14 gives you 27. If you find two letters such that sum of their place values is 27, those two letters are known as opposite letters. The same thing been explained in one of the previous sessions. Let it be the first question. So I want you to pause for each and every question given. I want you to try solving that question by your own and then get back to the video. In a certain code language, letter is written as MFUUFS. Word is written as XPSE. Then how is passage written in that language? Once you observe these letters, so each and every letter of this word has its own code among these letters. So in order to find the logic, we have to go with n number of trials. So you should try to relate the given letters of the word with the given letters of the code. Now, let me explain you this one. L is coded as M, E is coded as F, T is coded as U, and T, U again. E is coded as F, R is coded as S. If you observe these things, L and M are consecutive English alphabet. E and its next letter is F. T and U. T and its next letter is U. E, F, R, S. In the same way, W, X, O, P, R, S, D. Now, we can answer this question. P will be coded as Q. A will be coded as B. S will be coded as T. S as T again. A as B. G, H, E, F. So your answer will be option number 5. Now let us go with the second question. In a certain code language, March is written as something, August is written as something, then how January is coded in that language? Let us see. M is coded as O. So if you consider their place values, M plus 2 is O. A plus 3, A is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, and the fourth English alphabet is D. R plus 5, R is the 18th letter, plus 5 which gives you 23, 23rd English alphabet is W. C plus 7 is J, H plus 11 is S. In the same way, when you try to relate these things, A it's 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, third letter is C. U is 21, 21 plus 3 is 24, 24th letter is X. G plus 5, G is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12th letter is L. U plus 7. As far as these three letters are concerned, 21 plus 7 gives you a number which is more than 26. We know that the 26th English alphabet is Z. Then what will be the 27th letter? It's A again. 28th letter, it's B. And so on. So, in order to find these things, as these are the English alphabet, is it possible to calculate every time this way? U plus 7, this is U, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 plus 6 and plus 7. Does this work in your exam? No. In that case, we have to calculate it this way. I know that u is 21. 21 plus 7 gives you 28. The letter value, so this is the required letter value now. The letter value minus its nearest 26 multiple. So 28 minus 26, which gives you 2. So 28th letter and the second letter in the English alphabet are the same. So instead of 28, let us go with B. Now S is the 19th letter. 19 plus 11 gives you 30. 30 minus 26 gives you 4. So S plus 11 is D. T plus 13. T is 20. 20 plus 13 is 33. 33 minus 26 gives you 7. So T plus 13 is G. And in the same way, J plus 2 is L. A plus 3 is D. Then what about these numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. These numbers are prime numbers. N plus 5 is S. U plus 7 is B. A plus 11 is L. R plus 13 is E. Y plus 17 is P. But in your exam, to save your time, I want you to understand this and I want you to go with the given options. If you are not given none of these in your options, I want you to take it as an advantage. We need not calculate each and every letter given. Once you observe the given options, from the given 5, I can definitely say that I need not calculate the first 2 letters, which remain the same. I need not calculate the last 2 letters. So waste of time calculating these things. So which will help me to find my answer? These 3 letters. Now among these 3, let me go with this third letter. N plus 5. N plus 5 is yes. So in my answer, the third letter should be yes. So my answer will be 1 among 1, 4 and 5. So I can eliminate options 2 and 3. Remember this one. My answer will be 1 among 1, 4 and 5. Now, once you consider these things, I want you to find the second letter. Here, U plus 7. U is the 21st letter. 21 plus 7 gives you 28. 28th English alphabet is B. So my answer will be option number 1. Now let us go with the next question. 3. This is the given question. Let me write it this way. Observe the given words carefully. If you look at it, each and every letter present here is again present here. So how these letters are placed? The given letters of the word are arranged in alphabetical order. When you try to arrange each and every letter given of this word in alphabetical order, the required word will be EHITW. In the same way, yellow. And if you arrange the letters of the word yellow in the same way, you will get ELLOWY. In the same way, you can answer this question now. Once you arrange these letters in alphabetical order, your answer will be AEGNOR. So your answer will be option number 3. Now let us look at question number 4. Let me write the question this way. You are given alphabet here, A to Z. These letters are opposite letters. Each and every letter is coded as its opposite letter. R and I are opposite letters. Look here once. E and V are opposite letters. M and N are opposite letters. O and L are opposite letters. T and G are opposite letters. E and V are opposite letters. In the same way, M and N are opposite letters, O and L are opposite letters, B and Y are opposite letters, I and R are opposite letters, L and O are opposite letters, E and V are opposite letters. So answer here will be T and G are opposite letters, E and V are opposite letters, L and O, and so on. So your answer will be option number 5. This is your fifth question. Let me explain you this one up. World is coded as XUSMF. Earth is coded as IESVJ. If you observe these letters, O is a vowel letter, U is a vowel letter, E is a vowel letter, A is a vowel letter. As there are 5 vowel letters in the English alphabet, in this question, every vowel letter is coded as its next vowel letter. Every consonant is coded as its next consonant. The letters which are highlighted here are vowel letters. O and U are consecutive vowel letters. E and I are consecutive vowel letters. A and E are consecutive vowel letters. So every vowel letter is coded as its next vowel letter, and every consonant is coded as its next consonant. W and X are consecutive consonants. R and S are consecutive consonants. L and M are consonants. D, its next consonant is F. As D's next letter is a vowel letter, I want you to skip that letter. If you leave E, the immediate next letter is F. So D and its next consonant is F. In the same way, R and its next consonant is S. If you look at T, as its next letter is a vowel letter, instead of T, I want you to go with V. T is a consonant and its next consonant is V. H is a consonant and its next consonant is J. As I is a vowel letter, we have to skip that. So H is coded as J. In the same way, your answer will be APOWISTI. So your answer will be option number 1. Now let us look at the sixth one. Let me write it this way. Blue is coded as FVMC. Black is coded as LDBMC. The last letter here is coded as the first letter here. Last but one letter is coded as the second letter. L and M, B and C. B plus 1 is C, L plus 1 is M, U plus 1 is V, E plus 1 is F. In the same way, first letter here is coded as the last letter here. Second letter here is coded as this letter. B plus 1 is C, L plus 1 is M, A plus 1 is B, C plus 1 is D, K plus 1 is L. In the same way, your answer will be W plus 1 is X, H plus 1 is I plus 1 is J, T plus 1 is U, E plus 1 is F. So it's option number 1. Now this is your seventh question. Let me write it this way. So first letter here is coded as F, C and F, H and P, A and B, I and R and J. So we have to find a relation among these letters. Once you go with their place values, C is 3, F is 6, 3 2 times 6, H is the 8th letter, P is the 16th letter, 8 2 times 16, 1, it's 2, 1 into 2 is B, 9 2 times 18, 18 2 times 36, 36th English alphabet. 36 minus its nearest 26 multiple. 36 minus 26 gives you 10. 10th letter is J. So R 2 times J. In the same way, T 2 times N, A 2 times B, B 2 times D, L 2 times X, E 2 times J. So let us find our answer here. F is the 6th letter. 6 2 times 12. U 2 times P. R 2 times J. So instead of calculating all these things, I want you to go with the given options. I know that the answer is the 5th option, but let me check this way. I need not calculate the first letter. Let us go with the second one, second letter, and let's see what happens. I can definitely eliminate two options here. U, 21st letter. 21 2 times, 42. 42nd letter. 42 minus 26, which gives you 16. 16th English alphabet is P. My second letter should be P. So my answer will be either second option or fifth option. I can get my answer by finding the third letter. R. R is the 18th letter. 18 2 times 36. 36th letter. 36 minus 26, which gives you 10, and it's J. So first letter of my answer should be L. Second letter it's P. Third letter is J. By finding three letters among the given 9, I got my answer. So my answer is option number 5. This is the 8th question. In a certain code language, night is written as SNLMY. Day is written as GDB. Let me write it this way. If you go with the difference, N is the 14th letter. 14 plus 5 is the 19th letter. 19th letter is S. I is the 9th letter. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14th letter is N. G is the 7th letter. 7 plus 5, 12. 12th letter is L. H is the 8th letter. 8 plus 5, 13. 13th letter is M. T is the 20th letter. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25th letter is Y. D plus 3 is G. A plus 3 is D. Y plus 3 is B. But my question is, why should we add 5 here and why should we add 3 here? It's simple. It's based on the number of letters present here. As there are 5 letters in the word night, every letter is added to 5. As there are 3 letters present in the word day, 3 is added to every letter present in the word day. In the same way, moon. Number of letters present in the word moon, 4. So every letter plus 4. M plus 4 is Q, O plus 4 is S, O plus 4 is S, N plus 4 is R. Here, I want you guys to be very clear with this. You should get used to their place values. That's the reason I did not write their place values here. So you have to practice those things. Practice is the only thing which will help you to solve the given question in less than 30 seconds. So you should remember or you should memorize these place values. So every time writing their place values will not work. So you should get used to those things as soon as possible. So this is your answer for the 8th one, option number 1. Let us look at the 9th question now. Let me write it this way. If you observe this, R is coded as T, E is coded as G, A is coded as C. What is the relation between these two? R plus 2 is T, E plus 2 is G, A plus 2 is C. As there are even number of letters present in the word, the given word is divided into two halves. The first part is written this way. A is coded as C, E is coded as G, R is coded as T. So as far as these three letters are concerned, S is coded as U, O plus 2 is Q, N plus 2 is P. As there are 8 letters present in the word language, 4 letters comes under your first set and the remaining 4 letters comes under your second set. So as far as the first set is concerned, L plus 2 is N, A plus 2 is C, N plus 2 is P, G plus 2 is I. Here, U plus 2 is W, A plus 2 is C, G plus 2 is I, E plus 2 is G. So here, your answer will be M plus 2 is O, A plus 2 is C, R plus 2 is T, K plus 2 is M. And it's option number 1. Now let us look at the last one. Let me write it here. If you observe this one, as there are 6 letters in the word laptop, these 6 letters are divided into 3 sets. In each set, there are 2 letters. Each and every letter is coded as its opposite letter, but this way. L is coded as O, A is coded as Z. In the same way, P and K are related, T and G are related. In the same way, O is related to L, P is related to K. The same thing happened even here. So your answer will be OZ, SK, YZ, ZV. Is it clear? This is your answer for the 10th one. Option number 1. We are done with the second lesson on this topic. Get used to these place values. Try to solve these 10 questions again. And in the next lesson, we are going to discuss coding and decoding advanced model. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.